Today's headlines. Heesen described their Galactica, la crème de la crème of superyacht designer. Interesting news for Lady M, fastest tenders, and finally Quantum Blue spotted. It's August 6th and this is Vincent with your daily marine news. Radical and revolutionary. That's how Heesen described the 65-meter Galactica Star superyacht. It's the world's largest fast displacement yacht, and with a top speed of 28 knots and a cruising speed of 20 knots, she has a range of 4,200 nautical miles. Take a closer look at this amazing yacht as she undertakes her maiden voyage. The yacht designers that are up on BSA are awesome when it comes to superyacht design. And they are actually the exterior designer of the biggest yachts in the entire world. Check out the top 5 exterior designer of the world's largest yachts according to Yacht International. Now, Superyacht Lady M is the first yacht in the Palmer Johnson 210 Sport Yacht series. It was designed by Novellery Leonard Design and is powered by two MTU 16 valves 4000 engines. Novellery Leonard has also designed the Art Deco Pro figure, a powerful Jaguar to go with it. So check it out on the breathtaking gallery and the video on Boat Show Avenue. Superyacht Tenders are the perfect addition to a perfect superyacht. And when it comes to them, Mega Rich doesn't cut expense on finding the best one for their vessel. There are a lot of things to have in mind when searching for the right and perfect tender, but one of the essential ones is speed. And that's what will bring you the 7 fastest tenders in the entire world. Enjoy it. Now, when it comes to Lürssen and Quantum Blue 104-meter motor yacht, it was recently custom built back in 2010 by Lürssen Yacht in Germany, and she was recently spotted in Stabia main port, so check it out. Thank you for watching this, and don't forget to visit Boat Show Avenue for more daily marine news.